Hello, this is the chickens. This is all the chickens. There is the 6 chickens. 6. Look, there is a chicken. Another chicken. And he's so beautiful. Another one. Here's another one. He's so cute. I wondered that is he in log A? But he's not log an A. And this is an A. I told you this is an A. And look, this is another chicken. I think we do. Let's just wait a minute. Oh, he's not far over here. Oh, we already looked at this log A. There's another A is smoke. Okay. We're going to see the chickens that we ate. The chicken have A and just nowhere. Everywhere. Nowhere. Everywhere. Nowhere. Everywhere. Nowhere. Everywhere. Nowhere. Everywhere. Nowhere. This is my house. Why is it dark in there? I mean, like. This is so dark. What is this? Looks like that. Now you see the kitchen. You see the kitchen. The kitchen is right there. And the chickens of an A. This is an A. The wonderful A. And another chicken egg is right there. Oh, this is not cooking shit. But it's a lovely chicken egg. I do it a video. One in a video A. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is my girls. Oh. Hello. Yeah. You are serious. This is my lovely girls in the kitchen. Like what? Yeah. This is my loveliest girls. This is Keja. This is Kodiva. Lokolo. He's okay. You are 6. You are 3 and I 8. Look me. Ha 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 ha. Like and subscribe. Then you chill on the chicken. And this love chicken. You love chicken, then you have to buy chicken. Okay? Bye bye. Bye bye.